From the heart of ancient forests, a journey begins, transforming raw timber into objects of enduring beauty and value.
Our commitment starts here, in sustainably managed forests, where every tree represents a future heirloom. Each log, a testament to nature's grandeur, carefully transported from forest floor to the artisan's workshop.
At the factory gates, raw timber begins its transformation, a meticulous process guided by skilled hands and advanced machinery.
Every log undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest, perfectly conditioned timber proceeds to the next stage.
Within the kiln's embrace, raw timber is meticulously dried, preparing it for the precise artistry of furniture craftsmanship. Advanced technology meticulously monitors every variable, ensuring optimal conditions for perfectly seasoned, stable timber.
Each plank undergoes advanced laser scanning, meticulously identifying imperfections, ensuring only the highest quality wood is selected. From inspection, planks seamlessly move to the primary cutting stage, where precision machinery awaits their transformation. The first cut is critical, executed with immense power and digital precision, shaping the raw timber into its destined form. Each component, born from precision cuts, undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring flawless dimensions for seamless assembly. From cutting, components flow seamlessly to their next destination, a testament to our factory's intricate, efficient choreography. The touch of an artisan refines every edge, transforming raw wood into a silky smooth surface, ready for flawless assembly.
With meticulous precision, components are prepared for bonding, creating the foundational strength of each exquisite piece.
At the heart of creation, skilled hands meticulously assemble the table's frame, ensuring structural integrity and timeless design.
Every joint is reinforced with robust precision, ensuring unparalleled strength and durability for generations to come.
Premium hardware, meticulously chosen and attached, adds both structural integrity and a touch of sophisticated elegance. The table's structural integrity, a testament to expert engineering and robust joinery, stands as a foundation of quality.
Every decorative detail, meticulously hand-carved, imbues the piece with unique character and unparalleled artistic value.
Delicate art of veneering, a testament to precision and patience, creates a flawless, exquisite surface for our tables. With veneer flawlessly applied, the table progresses to automated sanding, preparing its surface for the ultimate finish.
Robotic precision refines every inch, achieving an impeccably smooth surface, the foundation for our signature finish.
After sanding, a human touch conducts the ultimate test, ensuring every surface is flawlessly smoothed to perfection. The first protective finish is meticulously applied, a transparent shield enhancing the wood's natural beauty and durability.
Between each coat, the table undergoes controlled drying, ensuring perfect adhesion and an immaculate, lasting finish.
The final buffing, a delicate dance of hand and cloth, unveils the table's ultimate luster, a testament to perfection. Every finished table undergoes a rigorous, multi-point inspection, ensuring it meets our uncompromising standards of excellence. Under intense magnification, every joint and surface is meticulously scrutinized, leaving no room for the slightest imperfection.
Our signature plaque, a mark of authenticity and unparalleled quality, is meticulously affixed to each masterpiece.
Each masterpiece is meticulously enveloped in custom protective packaging, ensuring its pristine journey to its new home. Our signature branding, a symbol of luxury and craftsmanship, adorns each package, signifying unparalleled quality.
In our dedicated studio, expert photographers meticulously capture every angle, revealing the table's inherent beauty and artistry.
Within our vast, automated warehouse, each masterpiece awaits its final journey, ready to grace homes worldwide.
Finally, in curated showrooms, our designer tables captivate, embodying luxury, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance.
A testament to unparalleled craftsmanship and exquisite materials, each table commands a value befitting its artistry.
From forest to home, each designer table embodies a legacy of craftsmanship, transforming spaces into elegant sanctuaries.
From the heart of ancient forests, a journey begins, transforming raw timber into objects of enduring beauty and value.
Each growth ring narrates a lifetime, a testament to nature's enduring power and our commitment to sustainable forestry practices. Our commitment extends beyond harvest. We actively reforest, ensuring vibrant ecosystems for future generations to thrive. Every sapling planted symbolizes renewed life, a promise of continued abundance and ecological balance for our planet.
Our foresters, stewards of this vital resource, ensure every harvest is conducted with utmost responsibility and foresight.
Utilizing advanced, low-impact machinery, we meticulously select and harvest individual trees, preserving the forest's delicate balance. The debarking process, powerful yet precise, unveils the pristine wood beneath, preparing it for its refined journey ahead. Guided by advanced sensors, each debarked log enters the sawmill, where precision lasers determine its optimal transformation. With immense power and pinpoint accuracy, colossal saws transform raw logs into precise planks, revealing their inherent beauty. Freshly sawn planks undergo initial quality checks, ensuring only the most pristine timber continues its journey to craftsmanship. Each plank is meticulously stacked with spacers, ensuring optimal air circulation for the precise, controlled kiln drying process. Within these colossal kilns, timber undergoes a precise, controlled drying process, essential for its stability and longevity. Every degree, every humidity level, precisely controlled and monitored, guaranteeing perfectly conditioned, stable wood.
In the equalization chamber, moisture content is meticulously balanced, preventing future warping and ensuring lasting stability. A final scan confirms optimal moisture levels, a critical step before the wood proceeds to the artisan's skilled hands.
In our vast, climate-controlled facility, perfectly dried lumber awaits its destiny, destined for exquisite furniture creations.
Guided by advanced digital systems, each plank is precisely selected, ensuring the perfect material for every design.
The parametric modeling allows for these fluid curves on the chair's back.
What if we adjust the lumbar support here?
We can test that iteration.
With digital precision, our designers sketch every curve and contour, ensuring each piece embodies both artistry and functionality.
Our advanced CNC routers precisely carve intricate details, executing complex designs with unparalleled accuracy and speed. Every carved component undergoes meticulous optical scanning, ensuring absolute precision and fidelity to the original design.
Precisely cut and carved components flow seamlessly, guided by advanced logistics towards their destined assembly points.
Guided by intricate blueprints, our artisans meticulously select each component, ensuring perfect synergy for assembly. Precision edge banding protects and refines, creating a seamless, durable finish that enhances both aesthetics and longevity.
Every edge is rigorously inspected, ensuring perfect adhesion and an impeccably smooth finish, a hallmark of our quality.
Along our dynamic assembly line, skilled technicians meticulously join components, transforming individual parts into harmonious structures.
Precisely cut and carved components flow seamlessly, guided by advanced logistics, towards their destined assembly points.
Traditional dovetail joinery, a hallmark of enduring craftsmanship, ensures unparalleled strength and timeless beauty for every piece.
Specialized wood glue, precisely applied, creates an unbreakable bond, uniting components into a singular, resilient structure.
Under controlled hydraulic pressure, glued components forge an unyielding bond, guaranteeing the table's enduring strength and stability.
Decorative brass bolts, meticulously hand-tightened, provide both structural integrity and a touch of sophisticated elegance.
Every wooden dowel, perfectly fitted and flush, exemplifies the meticulous detail and seamless integration of our craftsmanship. With painstaking precision, our artisans hand-plane every edge, achieving perfect alignment and an exquisitely refined finish.
Every intricate curve receives meticulous hand sanding, ensuring a flawless, silky smooth surface.
Before finishing, every surface is meticulously cleaned, ensuring absolute purity for a flawless, lasting application.
Robotic precision applies a uniform stain, enhancing the wood's natural beauty, ensuring consistent, rich coloration across every surface.
Laser precision ensures every angle of the table frame is perfectly aligned, guaranteeing structural integrity and flawless geometry. In our pristine cleanroom, an electrostatic topcoat is flawlessly applied, creating an exceptionally durable, crystal clear protective layer.
Final top coat, a masterpiece of clarity and durability, elevates the wood's natural beauty to an unparalleled, luxurious sheen.
Specialized polishing machines, guided by expert hands, achieve a mirror-like finish, revealing the wood's profound depth and brilliance. Under intense LED scrutiny, every millimeter of the surface is examined, ensuring absolute perfection, free from any imperfection. Even the slightest imperfection is meticulously corrected, restoring the surface to absolute flawlessness, a testament to our commitment.
A comprehensive final assembly check rigorously verifies every component, ensuring unparalleled stability.
With final approval, a masterpiece is officially born, ready to embark on its journey, a testament to uncompromising quality.
Behold the masterpiece, a symphony of design and craftsmanship. The unboxing experience begins with our luxurious, custom-designed packaging, hinting at the exquisite treasure within. Encased in a custom-built wooden crate, each table is meticulously secured, ensuring its safe and pristine arrival.
Presented as a sculptural art piece, our designer table transcends furniture, becoming a statement of unparalleled artistry. The table's surface, a canvas of reflections, captures and enhances the light, creating a mesmerizing, dynamic interplay.
In the showroom, potential owners discover not just furniture, but a legacy of artistry and enduring elegance.
The sold sign, a symbol of appreciation, marks the beginning of this masterpiece's journey to a discerning owner.
Our state-of-the-art factory, a beacon of modern craftsmanship, stands as a testament to innovation and unwavering quality. Here, innovation meets tradition. Our factory's entrance symbolizes a commitment to excellence.
Our dedicated team, the heart of our operation, infuses every piece with passion, precision, and unwavering commitment to quality. Beyond machinery, our vibrant community thrives, fostering camaraderie and shared dedication to our craft.
Our skilled operators command advanced machinery, seamlessly blending human expertise with cutting-edge technological precision.
Strategic planning and continuous improvement are constant, ensuring every process is optimized for peak performance and quality.
From our shipping department, perfectly packaged masterpieces embark on their global journey, reaching discerning clients worldwide. Advanced scanning technology meticulously tracks every package, ensuring precise delivery and complete transparency for our clients.
As our trucks depart, each delivery represents a promise fulfilled, bringing unparalleled.
In its new home, the designer table effortlessly integrates, transforming spaces into havens of refined beauty and luxury.
He really outdid himself this time.
That is marvelous, son.
To health, happiness, and our beautiful family.
Cheers!
Luxury and thoughtful functionality, seamlessly integrated, elevate the table's design to unparalleled levels of sophistication.
Our tables are not merely furniture. They are statements, transforming any space into a sanctuary of elegance and harmonious design.
Each table bears a unique signature, a mark of authenticity, ensuring its lasting legacy and
envisioned for life's most cherished moments. Our tables create an ambiance of warmth, luxury, and enduring, timeless beauty.
From humble wood to enduring masterpiece, our legacy lives on, connecting generations.